Are you making your herniated disc worse? Many people unknowingly do things that will inflame and irritate their herniated discs. Today, I'm going to go through the top 5 things that people are doing that can actually make their herniated disc worse. Mistake 1, sitting. Especially with bad posture, most of us sit for long periods of time, whether it's at a desk, in the car, or on the couch, or at the dining table. It's inevitable in our daily lives, the way that things are set up today. But what that does is that puts added pressure on our hips and our lower back, which makes our herniated disc become more aggravated. When you sit, try to maintain good posture for as long as you can. So when we're sitting, we want to make sure that we're a little more upright. We don't necessarily have to be over engaged to where our back is arched. And if you have a backrest, put a towel roll or a lumbar support so that it helps keep you in a better position for your spine rather than being here or leaning back against the backrest like this. If you find yourself getting tired of sitting in this position, then transition to standing or get up for a little bit and go for a little bit of a walk. Mistake number 2, avoiding movement because of pain. I get it. When the pain hurts, it's really tough to want to move, and it's really easy to just lay there and rest, thinking that things are going to feel better because you're resting. But it's actually the opposite. Your pain and your symptoms and your herniated disc can get worse when we completely rest. Studies show that light movement and exercises like walking or core strengthening can help relieve disc pressure. I recommend starting with gentle stretches that focus on spinal mobility. Mistake number 3, doing the wrong exercises. Commonly, I see people trying to do other core strengthening exercises like aggressive sit-ups or leg lifts or even heavy barbell lifts. Doing some of these exercises too soon can actually put more pressure on our disc, creating more of our issue. Instead of aggressive exercises, focus on core strengthening and spinal mobility exercises that don't put strain on your discs. Mistake number 4, ignoring major signs. Numbness, tingling, or shooting pain down into the legs. Those are all signs that the herniated disc could be compressing the nerve in your back, which needs immediate attention. That's a slightly more serious matter. If you experience these symptoms, it's essential to address the nerve compression early. Talk to your healthcare provider about nerve gliding exercises or physical therapy options that can relieve pressure and reduce nerve irritation. Mistake number 5, not taking breaks. Sitting or standing for too long, doing one thing, or even working and walking around for too long without taking breaks can put more stress and irritate the symptoms that you're having, causing more pain and irritation. Make it a habit to stand, walk, or stretch every 30 minutes. A simple walk around your home or office can help prevent your back from stiffening up and reduce the pain caused by prolonged sitting. How many of these mistakes are you making? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, small, consistent steps are the keys to recovery. So don't let these mistakes hold you back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe for more rehab tips and exercises. Valley Rehab Physical Therapy and Return to Work Center.